Have you ever found yourself wanting to automatically spin up a ticket in the future? Well, now you can with the Future Tickets app. Okay, so over on a ticket you can specify when you want your future ticket to be created, like this. Let's set this ticket to be created at precisely 1:21 PM. You can also send your future self a note so you remember why you set the ticket to be created in the first place. And finally, down here you can specify the template that defines everything else about the new ticket. So now that we've done that, while we wait for it to be created, let's have a look at how to create one of those templates. Over here in the admin part of the app, you see we have this templates section. And for each template, you can specify all the details of the new ticket, like the subject line, description, the priority, who it's assigned to, and just about any details of any custom ticket field. And for each field, you can either set it to copy stuff from the original ticket, or just set the fields how you like. And once you've finished defining your template, it'll appear as an option along with all the others back on the side of the ticket like this. Oh, providing my time calculations are correct, our future ticket will be created right about now. Hey! So, as you can see, there's now a note in the original ticket telling us that a follow-up ticket just got created, and on our new ticket, you can see the note we set our future selves and a bunch of other details were copied across from the original ticket as per the template that we specified. So, if you ever find yourself wishing your tickets could time travel, we'll do it in style with the Future Tickets app.